Ever had a vital meeting cut short by a glitchy connection, or felt stranded waiting for tech support while deadlines loom? At M2 Technology, we know these frustrations all too well, and we're here to change that. We believe in people working with people. That's why we're more than just an IT provider. We're your partners, an extension of your team working together to overcome these challenges.
From lightning-fast, reliable networks to robust cybersecurity, we provide tailored solutions that keep your business running smoothly. But we don't stop there. We offer leadership and guidance, ensuring you have clear solutions to move forward together.
Imagine focusing on growing your business instead of troubleshooting tech issues. With M2 Technology as part of your team, you can. We tackle challenges head-on together, making your goals our top priority every single day.
Think of us as a friendly neighbor who not only gets your Wi-Fi humming, but who you actually enjoy when they show up. We're here to support you, not just sell you, making your day easier in more ways than one.
With around-the-clock support and customized plans, we ensure technology adapts to your needs, not the other way around. We keep you informed every step of the way, no surprises, just open, honest communication. We monitor your systems proactively to prevent issues before they arise.
My favorite part about working with M2 is actually just having a person come to my office. So I love the team. They're always friendly, they're kind.
They're there when we need them, but at the same time, we know that we can focus on our construction. We can focus on building buildings, and it's simple as a phone call or an email.
They came in and just kind of became one of us. They fit in great. They worked within our culture. They were personable. We could just sit down and pretend like they were one of us.
You have to go talk to M2 Technology. I promise you are not going to be disappointed with what they offer and bring to the table. And at the end of the day, you're going to get to work with some pretty nice people.
Don't let technology hold you back any longer. Join the many businesses that trust M2 Technology to keep them moving forward. Let's build a more secure future together.